Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Grindmaster coffee grinder. We replaced the burrs on it. You can see the old burrs are right here. And we replaced the switch. This switch here that controls senses the bag. And then we also replaced this relay. So, as you can see, the machine doesn't work right now because the switch is not pressed. And then when I press the switch, I have to be able to hold the camera here. A little tricky. Not enough hands. See the grinder work. Here it's at the final setting. Quickest. See, it's nice and fine. I wouldn't say it's really fine enough for espresso, but I don't expect that of this machine. And then even just the burrs just don't get fine enough for that. So if I go to drip here, we'll just test it at that setting. I've got to add some more coffee. So now we have it at the drip setting. You can see it has a nice coarseness to it. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.